Okay, that's
Windows 7 provide touchscreen, but actually not so many people have touchscreen.
Right.
This is not touchscreen, but we have a solution can provide you a touch.
Ah,
Yeah.
multi-touch right there.
Yeah, so you don't need to upgrade your monitor. You just take this one and you can control the television. Your touch.
I like that. Yeah.
I think it makes sense, especially you are watching television in
Right.
living.
Right.
Yeah. Because you might be sitting in your sofa watching television, you can take this remote control.
Remote control,
to-
multi-touch.
Yeah, to provide your touch.
That's pretty cool.
What's the name of the product?
This name we call Smart Remote Control. Smart Remote Control.
Smart Remote Control?
Yeah. And this one is our engineer sample. And it's good stuff.
And what's the name of your company?
We come from Taiwan. And, my company name is Elan. Elan Microelectronics.
And your company name, oh, I can't, is it called the E-Finger?
No, E-Finger, our product trademark. And my company name is Elan.
Oh,
Elan.
okay.
We come from Taiwan.
Elan from Thailand, and it's the E-Finger.
Taiwan.
From Taiwan.
Nice.
How much does the E-Finger cost in the United States?
You mean the product?
Yeah.
Oh no, it's just a trademark. That means our technology. E-Finger is our technology.
It's your technology.
Yeah, so we are the touchpad provider, touchpad module provider.
Oh, okay.
So we provide module for our customer. So
I see. So you're a provider for other people that make these various tools.
Yeah, they can use our module to
make different tools,
different products.
Okay, cool. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.